Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Klarna app not available in your country issue. First, check if Klarna officially supports your country. Some apps are only available in certain regions. If the app is supported but not showing in your app store, try updating the location settings and search again. Click on the profile icon in your app store and update the country from there. Country location settings from there. You can also open the Klarna website using your browser and check if the service is available in your region. Then, if the app is not supported in your country, you may need to wait until Klarna expands its services there. That's how you fix the Klarna app not available in your country error. Subscribe